Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable comments on Substack. To enable or disable comment on a post in the Substack web app, follow these steps. Open the Substack web app and enter your login credentials if prompted. In the left-hand navigation menu, go ahead and click on the plus icon and choose either Note or long form post. So you use Note for standard post and long form posts for more detailed post. So I'm just going to click on long form post, and that is going to walk me right into the post editor. In the post editor, go ahead and locate the settings option that is typically found at the bottom right corner section of the editor, which we have in here. You see, it has a gear icon. Okay, this is the gear icon with the settings. So let's say you've added a title for the post, and you've added a subtitle, and you've added the content of the post in the body section, and you have used the toolbar or the formatting option to make your post more spicy, and you want to enable or disable comment. This is what you're going to do. So go ahead and click on the settings gear icon, and that's going to take you to the post settings. In the settings menu, locate the comments section. Now here you have, this post is for who, everyone, or just paid subscribers. Then this is the comment section. To enable comments, select here this section says allow comments from. Go ahead and select everyone, because if it is set to no one, it means you are disabling comments. So for you to enable, select everyone. Then other comments by, either top comments first, newest comments first, oldest comments first. Just go ahead and select any of these options. Now that's to enable comments. To disable comments, just go ahead and click on no one, disable comments, and that's pretty much it. That's all you need. Once you're done making the changes for this section, don't forget to hit the save button. And once you hit on the save button, your changes will be saved. So I'm just going to leave it at everyone. That's it. After making your selection, ensure the settings are saved, which I have shown you. And these may happen automatically when choosing the settings menu, or you just might have to confirm click the save button, which is definitely necessary. So just go ahead and click on that save button, especially when you make a new change. Go ahead and hit on save button. If not, it's not going to save automatically. Okay, it's going to be saved automatically once you click on the next option that allows you to post it. That's to find and publish your post. But do not forget that whenever you see the save button appear, you just have to click on that button. Now once you're done, you can just go X on that, and that takes you to the post editor. Click on preview to preview your post to ensure that everything is perfect, and click on continue. That's going to take you to the publishing window, which is necessary the same thing, which is not necessary, which is almost the same thing as what you have in the settings menu. And after that, just go ahead and click on confirm to confirm your post, and your post will be published. Now comments are managed based on your preference for that post. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.